Imagine Luxuria, where every product tells a story, and where carefully curated, hand-picked luxury products await you. Founded on the belief that luxury is an experience, not just a product, Luxuria was created with a vision to redefine luxury through curated selections and personalized service by experienced fashion stylists. Established in May 2023, Luxuria set out with a clear mission to offer luxury apparel curated by top fashion stylists. With a focus on providing unique and high-quality products, Luxuria quickly became a notable presence in the competitive retail market. After 1 year of operations, recognizing the critical role of data in today's business landscape, Luxuria's stakeholders have requested a comprehensive sales performance analysis. This analysis will delve into various aspects of the company's sales data, uncovering trends and patterns that will empower Luxuria to make informed decisions and drive future growth. The objective is to provide Luxuria with actionable insights that can inform business strategies, optimize inventory management, and enhance overall operations. By leveraging data analytics, Luxuria aims to stay ahead in the dynamic retail sector, continuously adapting to evolving consumer preferences and market conditions. To achieve these insights, we will work through various stages of the data analytics lifecycle, including data collection, preparation, analysis, visualization, interpretation, and presentation of findings. This comprehensive approach ensures that the insights generated are relevant and actionable, ultimately contributing to Luxuria's strategic goals and operational efficiency.